Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you have an action camera or pretty much any camera that can utilize a Bluetooth trigger, this ring will allow you to connect via Bluetooth to your camera, and you'll be able to start and stop recording right from this little ring. Now it is adjustable. You can put this on your finger, a little tab underneath here that's going to allow you to fit the ring properly. The ring also comes with this little charging cradle. As you guys can see, a USB-C here. Very simple design. You're just going to plug this guy right in, USB source. And let me show you guys what that looks like. This is what it looks like when it's inside of the cradle. So you're just going to plug into your USB power source. And then this is going to allow you to charge up the ring. So to demonstrate, I've already connected the ring using Bluetooth to this Action 6. And as you guys see, I can one press, start recording, single press, stop recording. Very efficient, especially if you're recording yourself and you're going to be some distance away from the camera. This could come in really handy. So definitely check this out. If you're looking for a very inexpensive way to be able to trigger your camera from a distance, this could be a great option for you. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.